Hey there, tech enthusiasts. If you're pulling your hair out over the HP printer error code 0X83C0000A, don't worry. We've got you covered in this quick guide. This error is a common headache for HP users, especially in 2025 with all the latest updates and devices. Let's dive right in and break it down step by step. First off, what does this error code even mean? Error code 0X83C0000A typically signals a communication problem between your HP printer and your computer or network. It could be related to connectivity issues, software conflicts, or outdated drivers, making your printer unresponsive or unable to print. Now, let's talk about the causes. This error often stems from things like a loose USB cable, Wi-Fi interruptions, incompatible software versions, or even a corrupted printer queue. For instance, if you're using an older driver with a new operating system update, that's a prime suspect. Other culprits include firewall settings blocking the printer or malware interfering with the connection. Alright, time for the good part, the solutions. Start by restarting both your printer and your computer. This simple step resolves many temporary glitches. Next, check all physical connections. Ensure your USB cable is securely plugged in or that your printer is connected to a stable Wi-Fi network. If that doesn't work, head to the HP website and download the latest drivers for your specific printer model. Install them carefully, following the on-screen instructions. Another effective fix is using HP's Print and Scan Doctor tool. It's a free utility that can diagnose and repair common issues automatically. If you're still stuck, try clearing the print queue. Go to your computer's settings, find the printer section, and cancel any pending jobs. As a last resort, perform a factory reset on your printer, but remember to back up any custom settings first. By following these steps, you should have your printer up and running in no time. Remember, staying proactive with regular updates can prevent this error from popping up again. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and happy printing.